The Pantheon has stood in Rome for nearly 2,000 years with the world's largest unreinforced concrete dome. Modern concrete highways start crumbling after 50 years. The Romans weren't just better at building. They had a material we forgot about how to make. This is opus caementicium, Roman concrete, and it's not just still standing. In some cases, it's getting stronger with age. Roman harbor structures that have been soaking in seawater for 2 millennia are more solid now than the day they were built. Meanwhile, are modern concrete exposed to salt water? It deteriorates in decades. For centuries, we had no idea how they did it. The formula was lost when the Roman Empire fell. So what was their secret? Modern concrete is basically gravel and sand held together with Portland cement, a mixture of limestone and clay. It's strong, it's cheap, but it has a weakness. Water gets in, corrodes the reinforcing steel, and the whole thing falls apart. The Romans did something completely different. First, they used volcanic ash, specifically from Pozzuoli, near Naples. This ash, called pozzolana, reacts with lime and seawater in a way that creates a chemical bond stronger than anything we used until recently. But here's what's interesting about it. When Roman concrete is exposed to seawater, it doesn't break down. It actually grows new minerals that fill in cracks. It's self-healing concrete. Scientists discovered that seawater filtering through Roman concrete triggers a reaction with the volcanic ash that creates aluminum tobermorite crystals. The Romans were building structures that literally got stronger the longer they sat in the ocean. They figured it out through trial and error over generations, perfected the recipe, and built an empire on it. So why did we lose it? When Rome fell, the knowledge went with it. The recipe was passed down through builders and engineers, but it was never written down in enough detail. They tried mixing lime and volcanic ash, but without the exact ratios, the proper curing techniques, the right type of ash from the right volcano. It didn't work. For over 1,000 years, humanity built with inferior materials because we'd forgotten our own recipe. We only cracked the code in the last couple of decades using electron microscopes and advanced chemistry. But here's the irony. The Romans had this concrete figured out 2,000 years ago. They built structures meant to last forever. And they did last forever. We just forgot how they did it. Makes you wonder what else we've forgotten.